Simplilearn's Agile Scrum Master training helped me out to become successful in my career. After doing this certification, I got a job offer from NTT Data with a decent salary hike. Hi, I'm Samir Gupta. I was working as an IT technician for TCS. That is when I was looking for a career growth. This led me to take certifications like ITIL and Prince2 from Simplilearn. I completed my engineering in electronic and communication. That is when I thought that I need a career growth, and I took up a certification for ITIL and Prince2. I was looking for a certification in ITIL Intermediate. I already did my certification for ITIL Foundation from some other institute which were basically offline. Simplilearn's ITIL training was very much comprehensive. It was very much elaborated, I would say. Mostly the courses were shared in the form of PPT slides with us, and there were trailers which were available over the videos. It was very easy to go through, very much comprehensive, and a lot of informations were there which was very much helpful for me to take up the course certification examination later on. So currently, being in a city like a Bangalore where you have really a huge traffic problem, it was very much easy for me to go through my courses over mobile application and complete it on time. So that is why I thought that it would be much better to continue with a Simplilearn rather than going with any other offline course centers. After doing my certification in ITIL and Prince2, I was able to get a promotion as a project manager in my organization. It was very much helpful for me because information which I got through this certification were really up to the mark to become an IT project manager in any IT organization. I believe that in the field of IT, it is very important to keep pace with latest technology and process. And getting certified becomes really important. And to do a certification, especially when you're working, a company like Simplilearn, which offers great flexibility, is key. Simplilearn is my success partner.